In today's video, I'll explain when and how Shopify sellers should use Bluedart services and how you can integrate Bluedart with your Shopify store step by step. First, let's quickly understand when you should offer different Bluedart services in your Shopify store, because choosing the right service can directly impact customer satisfaction and your profit margins. If you're dealing with urgent or time-sensitive deliveries, Bluedart Domestic Priority is the best option. This service is ideal when you want to offer same-day or guaranteed next-day delivery. It works especially well for items like electronics, posters, gift items, event merchandise, or last-minute festival orders. If missing a delivery window could lead to bad reviews or lost sales, this is the service you should use. Next is Dart Apex. This service makes the most sense for large or high-value shipments. If you're sending wholesale orders, transferring stock between warehouses, or shipping to retail partners, Dart Apex is a strong choice. It's best when your shipment weighs more than 10 kilograms, needs air express delivery, or must pass regulatory checkpoints smoothly without delays. Then we have Dart Surface Line, which is perfect for heavy or bulky items. If you sell furniture, large household products, or do bulk stock transfers, this service helps keep shipping costs low. Choose Surface Line when delivery speed isn't critical and your customers prefer affordable shipping over fast delivery. Now let's talk about how to offer Bluedart services in your Shopify store, since Bluedart doesn't have an official app in the Shopify App Store. To integrate Bluedart smoothly, you can use the PH Multi-Carrier Shipping Label app. Start by installing the app from the Shopify App Store and completing the basic setup. If you want detailed installation steps, Plugin Hive provides a full step-by-step guide you can follow. Once the app is installed, open it and go to the menu icon at the top left corner. Then navigate to Settings, select Carriers, click on the plus icon, and search for Bluedart. Now enter all your Bluedart account details in the fields provided. After adding the required information, click on Connect and Save. If you don't already have a Bluedart account, make sure to register one before completing this step. After setup, everything becomes very simple. As soon as a customer places an order on your Shopify store, that order will automatically appear in the PH Multi-Carrier Shipping Label app dashboard. From there, you can choose your preferred Bluedart service and generate shipping labels instantly. You can also manage tracking updates and schedule pickups directly from the app. To wrap things up, offering Bluedart shipping in your Shopify store is a great way to build trust with Indian customers who expect fast, secure, and reliable delivery. By choosing the right service, whether it's Domestic Priority, Dart Apex, or Dart Surface Line, you can balance delivery speed and cost for every order. With the PH Multi-Carrier Shipping Label app, Bluedart integration becomes effortless. It saves time, reduces manual work, and lets you focus more on growing your business. And that's how you integrate Bluedart with Shopify. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more great tutorials.